For breakfast, I'm gonna make corned beef and egg.
Girl, you're so hot like summer, and I don't wanna want that lover. You give me feels when you do, no one can do it like you. Girl, you're so hot like summer, you're everything I ever want.
17:30.
Hey, what's up? Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday, May 22, and I just ate breakfast. It was corned beef, egg, and then I ate some calamari from yesterday. I changed clothes because I'm gonna go grocery shopping. Yes, I'm gonna go out after so long. Actually, after a month. Yeah, because the last time I went out was grocery shopping. We're headed to Circuit Makati. And I don't know if we're going to Shopwise or SNR. We'll see. But here's my outfit. It's actually, you won't see it, but it's just all cotton on. I'm wearing leggings. Never mind. I'll show you later.
Walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out. It's what they all say, yeah. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living. But I don't really care what they all say.
Lol. We're now in Rockwell. I don't know if you can hear me or not, but yeah, we're in Rockwell. I'm gonna buy 8 pots cheeseburger.
I gotta keep it. Walking downtown. Eyes on me, I don't know what to do, so I smile and I wave. Everyone's looking like they know what they're doing. Everyone's looking
2 hours later.
I'm trying not to give them the time of day.
It's currently 2 a.m. and I'm gonna recap the day. Today was actually pretty fun because I got to go out after weeks of just staying at home and just doing nothing. I got to go out with my dad and buy some food. Basically, we went to SNR, and then after that, we went to Rockwell to go to Rustans, the supermarket. But when we got there, it was already past the cutoff, which is 5 o'clock, so we weren't really able to go inside Rustans. Since we were already there, we bought 8 cuts, which is my favorite burger. Actually, it's better than Shake Shack. And all the burgers out there, 8 cuts is my favorite, all-time favorite.
Day 2.
Walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out. It's what they all say, yeah. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living. But I don't really care
A
what they
few
all
moments
say.
later.
So now we're playing Monopoly Deal. I'm playing Monopoly Deal with my sister.
Driving to live you are, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety.
Today we're gonna make sushi bake.
You were never meant for me. Well, now I gotta keep it. Walking downtown and I'm okay. Eyes on me, I don't know what to do, so I smile and I wave. Everyone's looking like they know what they're doing. Everyone's looking like they know what I'm pursuing. I'm trying not to give them the time of day. It's easier said than done. That guy driving to left you are, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling.
Say hi to my vlog.
Hi, my vlog.
How did you feel?
How did I feel? Do it. How did they do it?
I know.
Wow.
It's intense. Like, the story is like,
The family is so manipulative. Like, yo.
I know. I wouldn't have guessed it, actually. Because it's super unexpected, diba? Super plot twist.
I
Rate it from 1 to 10.
I would rate it like 8 only because I want more.
For me, 10 out of 10. Nice, solid. I love those kinds of movie. Those crime
Me
things.
too.
So that is all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow me on all social medias, link down below, and see you in my next vlog. Bye!